We're back with a bang, baby. Right, Thai Spice Scotch eggs. Before we continue with this fun-filled episode of Flava Station, big up everyone that watched the live on Instagram just. That was sick, man. We'll do it again. We'll do it more. We're gonna pattern up everything. Now, this next one, I used to like Scotch eggs back in the day. Lovely snack. I'm gonna do them cold. Lovely snack, egg with sausage meat or whatever wrapped around it. But I'm gonna use turkey mince and I'm gonna spice it with Thai influence. Just loveliness. So stay tuned, do your thing, love you lot.
Flava Station. Flava Station.
Right then, baby, we got the turkey mince, 7% fat. You want a decent amount of fat. We got coriander, spring onion, ginger. Big things. 3 cloves of garlic, some crushed chilies, chili flakes. Good, trust me, good. Get a bowl for all your stuff. You want to chop all this really small. Get your mince, see it there? Chop it nice and small because you want it to cook, you know. We're going to deep fry. Slicer, your springy. Use the whole thing. Check for sand though in your stalk. Always wash them and peel back the nastiness too. You don't want them thing there in your mouth. Yes, man, we're going to slicer. I've got to say that Thai flavour is probably one of the best flavours there is. Like, just spring onion, chili, garlic, ginger, like, things like that are they're just incredible things to cook with, man. The flavours, blood. Big up everyone watching anyway. I love you lot, man. Real talk. This channel ain't nothing without you lot. So head over to the Instagram at Flava_station. Mad active on there. I did my first live today. If you tuned in, it was good. I hope people enjoyed it. But yeah, coriander. All of this is just chopped small, just as small as you can get it really. You want it to really be incorporated into the Scotch egg. You're gonna need hard-boiled eggs, but I'm not gonna show you how to hard-boil eggs. There is a video on the channel of how to boil eggs perfectly. If you want them soft, it's 6 minutes, hard 9 minutes, all that good stuff. There's a really good video on the channel for that. So if you want to serve it like a hot starter or hot main and you want that runny yolk in there, you're obviously gonna want to use soft boiled eggs. But I like this as a snack in a lunchbox when you're on site, or you just want a quick munch and you don't want to go Mackey's. Hard boiled egg, nice. Wait down, you dirty bomb boy. Now you're gonna mix all this. No, you're not. Shut up, you. Chili flakes first. Lovely jubbly. Look at that. Pinch of salt, Himalayan of course. Now just mix. You don't even need egg with this, like, to bind it or anything, because the turkey mince is quite lean, but the 7% fat one is a lot juicier and it's got a bit more fat, so it works really well instead of pork. Yeah, boy, see the texture? Holding together nicely, not too wet. Grab your boiled eggs. Hard boil, baby! Now you want to grab just a hand sanitized ball. Flatten it as flat as you can, pancake, and then you're gonna wrap up the egg in it, and then we're gonna pane it, which means breadcrumb it. It's all. Every day's a school day, you know, folks. No messing, blood. Now we dry for the egg. Just wrap it up nice and tight, like a lovely little present, a meaty eggy present. Lovely jubbly. If you want to do this with chicken mince, then I'd suggest getting thigh chicken mince, not breast. Too dry. But before any ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man, and the ding dong, so you get notifications on your phone, and I can see you, and I know who's watching, and I'm watching you watch me. So you better keep watching the watcher watching you cook. Now, flour, egg, breadcrumbs. It's as simple as that. Flour gets rid of all your moisture and it makes sure the egg, well, not all your moisture, you know what I mean, there's any excess. Then the egg sticks to that, and then the breadcrumbs stick to that. Hot oil, yeah, the oil's a bit dirty. I do admit this was that day I did about 10 videos. Just make sure it's hot by sprinkling a little bit of your breadcrumbs in there, and then boom, turn your heat down, moderate temperature. You're laughing. This will be about 180 degrees. Flipper, see it there? Yeah, boy. Nice. We're not messing about at all. I'm a bad boy, I can touch it, but don't try this at home, folks. And yeah, just keep it moving. If you've got a fryer, even better. But you know, this is normal cooking. Now, onto blue roll. This is after about, I'd say, 7 minutes. That blue roll will remove 25% of the grease. It will reduce it big time. And then we're out and we slice. And look on this up. I'm telling you what, I'm telling you, I'm proud of that. I'm really proud of that. Look at it. It's lovely, man. Nice and rustic, homemade, lovely in a lunchbox. Yeah, boy. Toast by Scotch eggs, look, juicy. You've got all that incorporated running through it. Look, the chili, the ginger, everything lock off. Jeez.
Flava Station.